Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Spacedesk to turn your device into a second monitor. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, head over to the Spacedesk website, download and install the Spacedesk driver on your main PC or laptop. This is where you'll be using your second screen. Don't worry, it's free and available for Windows. Next, grab the Spacedesk Viewer app for your second device. You can get it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Install it and we're almost there. Now make sure both your main PC and your second device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Spacedesk Viewer app on your second device. You should see your PC listed there. Simply tap on it to connect. Once connected, your second device will act as an extension for your desktop. You can go into your PC's display settings and adjust the resolution or arrangement to your liking. And that's it, you've now got a second monitor using Spacedesk, perfect for multitasking or extra screen space. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.